Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Aadhaar, family details, mobile number, and a scanned ID proof. Once ready, open the official portal on a secure device and enable pop-ups. This prevents missing confirmation dialogues. You log in using Aadhaar OTP or DigiLocker so your identity links to the scheme. Do this now. It unlocks the application form with pre-filled fields. You'll see household members listed. Select the person to enroll and move straight to the demographic and income sections. You now fill the core form. Confirm name, relationship to head, address, and mobile number. Make corrections where Aadhaar data differs. Once done, upload required documents: scanned ID, family photo, and income proof. Then choose card delivery or download option and select your preferred empaneled hospital if needed. Use the preview to check spelling and document clarity. This prevents rejection. When everything matches, trigger the OTP for verification, because that step binds your submission to the registered mobile. You complete the process by submitting and immediately saving the application ID. Take a screenshot for records. You'll receive SMS or email confirmation. Use the application ID to track status online. If the portal requests document corrections, upload them quickly to avoid delays. If OTP or upload fails, retry after 5 minutes and switch network or device if persistent. For unresolved issues, call the scheme helpline or visit the local nodal office with your application ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.